Okay, we're going into jigsaw stream.
You're the camera! It's me, Jigsaw. Let's just ignore what just happened, okay? Now, today is an episode of what Jigsaw hates. You know what I hate? When people are making cookies and they use white sugar instead of brown sugar. You know how disgusting it tastes? Usually, whenever somebody makes cookies with brown sugar, they're gone in 1 second. But when they use white sugar, let's just admit, Africans win this time, okay? And they taste disgusting, okay? Another thing Jigsaw hates is mannequins. They just sit there all day wearing fancy clothes, staring at you. Just staring, you know? Like I'm doing now. They just stare at you. That's basically what Jigsaw hates today. See you later.